A full-size Formula One car made entirely out of chocolate. Not a replica, not a model, a real life-sized machine crafted from over 16,000 Kit Kat bars. And every single part is edible. This is not a stunt. This is precision engineering in chocolate. At Formula One's iconic home circuit, something unexpected stopped fans in their tracks. Not a roaring engine, not a record-breaking lap, but a silent, stunning creation. An F1 car built entirely from Kit Kat chocolate. This isn't a small-scale artwork. The car stretches nearly 5 meters long, over 6.5 feet wide, and weighs around 350 kilograms. That's roughly the weight of a real racing chassis component. But instead of carbon fiber, this machine is built from chocolate. Over 16,900 two-finger Kit Kat bars were used. Every curve, every aerodynamic contour, every structural detail, carefully shaped to mimic a modern Formula One car. Behind this creation is master chocolatier Jen Lindsay Clark. And this is where the story gets even more intense. This wasn't assembled in a day. It took over 254 hours of meticulous craftsmanship. That's more than 52 continuous days of work, designing, sculpting, assembling, and perfecting. Each piece had to be engineered to hold its own weight. Chocolate is fragile. It melts, it cracks, it bends under pressure. Yet, this structure stands solid, balanced like a real race car. Think about that. This isn't just food. This is structural design. Every tire, every wing, every surface fully edible. No hidden supports, no shortcuts. And the purpose? This wasn't just about breaking records or going viral. This is a marketing masterstroke. Kit Kat, owned by Nestlé, has positioned itself at the intersection of indulgence and innovation. By bringing chocolate into the high-performance world of Formula One, they've created a visual contradiction that people can't ignore. Speed meets sweetness. Engineering meets craftsmanship. And it works. Because this isn't just something you watch, it's something you question. How does it not collapse? How does it hold shape? How far can edible engineering actually go? That curiosity is exactly what drives engagement. But there's another layer here most people miss. This project mirrors Formula One itself. Extreme precision, relentless attention to detail. Hundreds of hours for marginal gains. Except instead of shaving milliseconds off lap time, this team was perfecting chocolate symmetry. And the result is something strangely powerful. Because it turns a familiar object, a chocolate bar, into something monumental. And it forces a shift in perception. What looks like a snack becomes a structure. What feels temporary becomes something engineered. What seems simple becomes complex. That transformation is what makes this story global, from casual fans to engineering enthusiasts, from food lovers to F1 followers. This creation crosses categories. And that's rare. But here's the real question. What happens next? Does it get preserved, displayed, or eaten? Because technically every inch of this car is consumable. And that creates a strange tension. It's too valuable to eat, too edible to ignore. And that contradiction keeps people watching. A life-sized Formula One car built from chocolate. Over 16,000 Kit Kats. More than 1,200 hours of precision work. This is not just a display, it's a statement. And it leaves one question hanging. If chocolate can become this, what else can?